Hello students, welcome to the second session of C programming. In today's session, we will study why C language is so important. So let's start with this session. C language was designed for programming in the operating system called Unix. After C language is created, the whole Unix operating system was rewritten using C language. After that, most of the applications and softwares which we are using were written in C language. Most of the libraries of today's operating system are written in C language. So basically, almost every operating system which we are using are created using C language. Operating system such as Unix, Linux, Windows, Mac, Android, iOS are created using C language. Unix operating system, Linux, and Windows operating system are basically used for the computers and laptops. Mac operating system is created by Apple company and it is used for Apple computers. In today's world, most of the phones uses Android operating system. Android operating system is also created using C language. iPhone uses its separate operating system called as iOS, and this iOS is also created using C language. Most of the language compilers are created using C language. Compilers are used to convert the code written in programming language into the machine code. Computers can only understand machine code. So that's why we need compiler while using any programming language. C++ compiler, Java compiler, C# compiler, etc. are created using C language. When we store data or information in computer, we require database. Database softwares like Oracle, MySQL are also created using C language. If we want to change data or information in file, we need text editors. Text editors such as Notepad, WordPad, Microsoft Office, that is MS Office, are also created using C language. When we want to connect any hardware to the computer such as printer, scanners, phone, pen drive, etc., we require device driver. Device driver is used to detect which hardware is connected to the computer. So suppose if you connect your phone to the computer, computer will recognize that you have connected phone to the computer by using device driver which is installed in computer. Even these devices are also created using C language. While using internet to search anything, we require web browser. Web browsers such as Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox are also created using C language. To infect your computer or mobile, viruses are used, and to protect your computer or mobile, antiviruses are used. So to create most of the viruses and antiviruses, C language is used. Nowadays, most of the electronic machines works when you give the command. According to the given command, machine will work. This system is also called as embedded system. Suppose if you are making cake using microwave oven, you will give command to the microwave oven by setting temperature and timing. Such operations that need to be performed are created using C language. Embedded systems such as robots, washing machine, microwave oven, TV, fridge, etc. are also created using C language. If you want to create picture or image in a computer, you need a graphic packages. A graphic package is an application that can be used to create image on a computer. So these graphic packages are also created using C language. Microsoft Paint, PC Paintbrush, Adobe Photoshop are some examples of graphic package applications which are created using C language. Most of the popular computer programming language which we are using are also created using C language. Languages such as C++, Java, Python, .NET are created with the help of C language. So that's why even after 50 years, C language is the most used and popular programming language in the world. That's it for today's session. In next session, we will start the first unit of C programming. In that, we will study the first topic, that is different types of programming languages.